Hey tech lovers! JBL just dropped a game changer, the Tour Pro 3 earbuds with a touchscreen charging case that's got everyone buzzing. Stick around to find out why these $299 earbuds are stealing the spotlight. This is GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech. Imagine controlling your music, calls, and noise cancellation right from a charging case that's basically a mini smartphone. Sounds wild, right? Let's dive into why the JBL Tour Pro 3 is trending like crazy. Let's break it down. JBL launched the Tour Pro 3, and these earbuds are packed with next-level features. First up, that touchscreen charging case. It's a total standout. You can tweak settings, check battery life, and even customize your audio without touching your phone. It's like having a control hub in your pocket. Next, the sound quality. These earbuds come with spatial audio, giving you that immersive 360-degree soundstage, perfect for movies, gaming, or just vibing to your favorite tracks. Mashable's already raving about the 12-hour battery life per charge, and with the case, you're looking at up to 36 hours total. That's enough to power you through a weekend road trip. The Tour Pro 3 also has adaptive noise cancellation, so you can block out the world or switch to transparency mode to stay aware. Plus, they're comfy for all-day wear and have a sleek design that screams premium. It's priced to compete with the likes of AirPods Pro and Sony WF-1000XM5, but that touchscreen case, it's a unique flex no one else is offering right now. Oh, and did I mention they're water resistant? Perfect for workouts or getting caught in the rain. JBL's basically thought of everything. Now, are they perfect? The $299 price tag might feel steep if you don't need the fancy case, and we're still waiting on real-world tests to see how the spatial audio stacks up against competitors. But for tech fans who love innovation, these earbuds are a serious contender. That's the scoop on the JBL Tour Pro 3. Are you hyped for that touchscreen case, or is it all about the sound for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. If you love this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a GadInsider update.